Hi, I'm Jane from Odyssey Training. I'd like to talk to you about all of the exciting things about Microsoft's Power BI product. Now, you've probably heard about it. It's a great big buzzword at the moment. Everybody seems to be talking and wanting to use it. A lot of people are asking the question, why don't I just keep using Excel? What's so special about Power BI? Well, stay and listen and we'll tell you all about it. So Power BI does sound very technical. It's actually self-service business intelligence, which means that you're able to produce some fantastic looking visual reports. We don't have to just wade through dull, dry numbers all the time. If you're a person who has to make those reports to management, you're able to use Power BI. If you're the actual person making decisions from these reports, you're going to be able to interactively play with those reports, clicking on different parts of it and able to gain greater insight into your results. So Power BI lets you pull data in from multiple sources. You can pull it in from SAP, from Oracle, from any data warehouse, from even an Excel file, from a website. There's over 69 different sources that you can pull it in from at the moment. They're growing all the time. When you bring that data in, it's probably going to need a bit of cleaning up. And I bet that more than a few of you have spent a lot of your time going in, getting rid of columns, replacing and finding stuff, making it just look a lot better so that you can make a decent report. The best news is we have this beautiful tool in Power BI called the Query Editor. And what you can do with that is clean it up just once. Next month or next week, when you have to do it all over again, you just simply bring the data in, it's magically kept all your steps and you're ready to go. Massive time saver. So once you've got this data model, you can start creating what we call reports and dashboards. Now these contain visualizations. These are the next generation of the graphs that you are probably familiar with from Excel. Now the beauty of these is that they are interactive. You can touch them, you can play with them, you can see other graphs changing as you do that. And what makes it even better is that you can look at it on different devices. You don't have to be staring at a screen at your desk. You can be looking at it on your phone, on your tablet. Everybody in the meeting can be opening it up. So if you're worried that you actually have to be technically minded to use Power BI, if you're worried that you have to know a lot about Excel, that's not necessarily so. Basically, if you have got a background in Excel, you're a little bit ahead of the game. Excel has had charts in it for a very long time, but they're starting to look a little bit dated, and many users have found that they can't quite get the graph that they want. One of the most amazing features of Power BI is the artificial intelligence behind it. You've been slaving away, making all these fantastic looking visualizations, but one of the great things is you can click a button and it's going to actually analyze your data for you and produce a whole bunch of different graphs. You might be able to look at one of them and say, hey, that's even better than what I could think of. So quick insights is something that you might want to employ to get just the right answer to the story that you're trying to tell. So if you're interested in any of these features or learning how it all goes together in Power BI, then please check out Odyssey Training's Power BI courses, starting at an introductory level, working its way through to advanced. You can find out more information about those on the Odyssey Training website at odysseytraining.com.au.